Hey, Sean here from SpeedCubeReview.com. I just got a package from MoYu. This, I can already tell, is going to be the YS3 Magic Close. And what that is a clear coating over the puzzle to protect it from scratches and to make it grippier. So let's check this out. Looks like they give me one in a box and one not. So this is it. That could be the giveaway again. Another one. Okay. Ooh, very shiny. So we're going to just jump right into the comparison of this to the GAN UV coating, because I think that's what everyone's wondering. I did a comparison a little while ago with a bunch of different coatings. Now, basically what that concluded with was that other coatings that, let's say, SpeedCube Shop does with the PVC coating, it's nice, it's protective, but it's not as glossy, not as thick even as the UV coating is. And looking at this already, you can see that is quite glossy and quite thick feeling. This feels almost identical to what I would say is the UV coating, but we'll go more in detail. So let me get a good color to compare it to. Here's it compared to the regular YS3 and for the GAN cubes. I mean, honestly, that's even slightly more glossy. I wasn't actually expecting that much. Okay. As far as grip, the grip is really nice. Nearly identical. So as far as grip, it feels identical to the UV coating. It is definitely high gloss, maybe even a little glossier. Now I've used this one for a little bit, so maybe that's the cause of it. Now my big issue with a lot of these sort of glossy plastics after creating a matte plastic is that just make it glossy. However, I might be biased because I take care of my cubes and I put them in protective bags and boxes before I put them anywhere, and I don't have long nails. Like, I keep fairly good care of my puzzles. So if you don't, maybe that's why they're getting scratched. With that said, there is not much more else I can say about this. It is high gloss, it is very grippy, and already, if I was going to choose one, this would be it. Definitely this would be it. There's not much else with the puzzle, but looking at this right here, I'm going to assume this is... They actually just say UV coating here. They call it UV coating. So I'm just going to call it UV coating. I'm going to give this one away. So I'm going to do a giveaway very soon. Stay subscribed to the channel. Follow that. Follow Instagram. Follow TikTok. I'll probably post them there too once I make that go live. And it's going to go live probably within the next week or so. So stay subscribed and get ready for a giveaway of the YS3 UV coated. Thank you, MoYu, for sending this over. Definitely pick this up. It's not available on the shops when I made this video, but it probably will be very, very soon. So leave your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. Hit like, subscribe for more content like this in the future. And as always, stop by SpeedCubeReview.com for more news and reviews.